Welcome back, guys. It's Tony T. I'm ready for another viral video, shall we? Hampton came out with this beautiful front living unit, and you're not going to want to miss this one. If you got a seasonal site, some property set up, this thing is sweet. Depending on your site, this is the front living edition. You have a sliding glass door. Wow, look at this. What a beautiful unit. What do you think about all Hampton's new colors? I think it's standing tall. I think it looks really good. Man, they really decked this out. I love the colors. Look at all that extra woodwork, all the detail and finish in here. Look at these drop-down lights, a solid surface, huge countertop. You got outlets on either side, accent lighting everywhere. You have the new black stainless steel sink. I love this sink. It's got like the hexagons in it. So it feels cool, so I like touching it, but it's also not going to scratch. How cool is that? And it looks black, so it's always going to look clean, so that's good. Huge residential appliances, ceiling fan, 12-volt heaters on your tanks. You have a bench on this side. This is Velcroed in. And then there's storage underneath here. Look at that. Pretty cool. There's some crossword puzzles, some games, blankets, pillow sheets. You have an extension for your table right here. And check this out. This is a Tony T edition. We don't mess around. Look at that. It folds up, and it has shock assist to keep it up, out of the way, store some things in there, keep it as like a little safe. No one's even going to know it's there. I accidentally did it, and I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. You have a fast charger built into the table as well. Set your phone on there, charge your phone. You got nice bar stools right here with metal, so it's not going to be wood. This is also mounted to the wall as well, the table is. So there's no poles getting in the way when you're trying to get in and out of this booth dinette. So that's very nice. Huge, massive windows all the way around. These windows do all open. Accent lighting going all the way down here. The flush lighting at that. You have theater seat recliners. You got two cup holders. Put some brewskis in there. You got your remote storage right there. That's soft too. Blackout roller shades. You have a massive windshield right at the front here with the sofa, with cup holders. It's very rare that you see a sofa at the front now that actually has cup holders. Why? I have no idea. But Hampton's giving it to you guys, and solid surface counters on each side. So if you're working remotely, you want to relax, set your food there, however you want to use it. You got storage on either side, openings on either side. You got outlets on both sides, USB, USB-C. This is also a motorized window as well. So you just hold this button, and it will go right on out. Oh man, my battery ain't got enough juice. So you're going to hold that. That's actually going to close this all the way off. That's a massive, massive panoramic windshield right on the front. Look at that view. Hopefully you're out there looking at Bambi out there in the wilderness instead of a parking lot like me. Beautiful. I love it. Tall ceilings in here. You're going to have a TV on a swivel mount. You're going to have a fireplace that's going to produce heat as well. It's got a couple different flame settings, a timer set on there. This thing looks good. And just in time for Thanksgiving, you have the 4-burner cooktop and then the huge oven that can actually fit a turkey in here. More residential.